Hi, I'm Logan, and today I'm going to be showing you Datalogz. Datalogz is the #1 Power BI administration platform, BI ops platform, and tool to help you end BI sprawl within your organization. I'll be giving you a quick demo on how it works. So you're able to connect to almost any Power BI environment instantly. Datalogz reads all of the metadata that exists, and you can connect either through a service principal or an O365 admin. Once you connect, we instantly store all of the activity data from Power BI. And you'll notice here it's over the 30 days history that Power BI stores by default. So you already start automating the Power BI recommended governance and store all of your activity beyond 30 days. So once Datalogz is live, you'll be able to have activity indefinitely. The next piece we create is an instant inventory of all of your BI assets. You can see data sources, your refresh schedules, how long they're taking, some key KPIs about your environment, data sets, whether there's duplication, columns copied across every single workspace that exists. You'll also be able to see your usage. So what reports are being developed, how many views do they have, how long are they being developed for, and compare that. So are your developers adding value, and is the things they're building actually being consumed? And then the real bread and butter at Datalogz is our recommendation engine. So this is where we begin to start flagging different issues in your BI environment. Issues around cost, quality, around what gateways have spikes in consumption, unused assets across every single workspace. You're then able to dive into issues into more details, click into them, and see context behind them. So this here issue that I just clicked into is a duplicate data set that Datalogz identified. You'll see there's 3 exact copies within your Power BI environment. So this is leading to increased compute and potential confusion on your team. So you're able to assign this to someone on your team to solve, or assign it to the Datalogz bot that automatically fixes it within your environment. And then, of course, we wouldn't be a great software company without showing you exactly what impact we have in your environment. So we're tracking what issues are resolved over time, how much licensings are saved. For each of your premium capacities, how many billable hours that are actually productive, what's there not, and where there's licensing cost savings within your Power BI environment. So Datalogz instantly plugs in to any Power BI environment across premium capacities, personal workspaces, and shared groups, and indexes and stores all metadata indefinitely, and then produces the most valuable insights that you can need to administrate your Power BI environment and recommend these to your team and system. You can then solve issues and even configure notifications to automate solving them within your environment. Check us out. Thank you.